Well, he better make. But Jayden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and it's exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, dancehall overall is happy to see Masicka's return to the dancehall scene. And when we say return, let's keep this in mind. Him take a short hiatus. Meaning say, after the statement surfaced of him telling fans in Canada to come party with the king of the dancehall, and after statements from his manager Cråsh, people that say, but wait, oh, Masicka try to size up with the king after we already I said Gaza-Genasyde. But I would say this, viewers and subscribers, the fact that Cråsh was the person showing Masicka that support it. Enough people rate Masicka, but Cråsh actually go in and pocket and say, you know what, we will fund your career until it is at that place where, you know what I mean, we can start receive back or recoup our investment, viewers and subscribers. And it worked out. You know what I mean? I definitely something would pay off. Some people that say it was a risk at that point in time. Masicka never have no chorus. But Cråsh still make the move. However, him almost damage the artist's career. Because those statements, remember dancehall music, you know. Loyalty, although some artists haven't shown any, it's still something big in the minds of not only artists but also the fans. Because you have fans who say this. We are loyal supporters of certain artists. So we also want to know, say, the artist them you as support as a loyal fan is also a loyal artist as well. So when statements surfaced, of course people that say, yo, I'm disappointed. But no, say, that is Masicka's stance on dancehall music at this point in time. But some people that say coincidentally after the news of Vybz Kartel being another grandfather in dancehall music, because although you know what I mean, with the opposition, more of a grandfather too. Him just not talk about him grand-youth or him daughter much. But she have a child too as well. Big arrow. But viewers and subscribers, it is good to see Masicka's return to the scene. Definitely a lyrical artist that people respecting in the game. I would say this, without even going out of your way to make a statement and say, sorry, you don't know something like that. Make sure say you don't do it again. As an artist, focus on your career. And I will say this too, concept. Masicka use and concept track for get out another concept track. Meaning say Governor's Convo part 1 and part 2 is a concept song. The concept is Governor I take a next man Cathy. And it's something that the man is a fan of him. This is a concept. A grandfather talking to him grandson. I say, what you know? This is how the streets, this is how we used to conduct our affairs in the streets when I was in my prime. And you know, hearing the stories and hearing how him articulate it was definitely, you know what I mean, very entertaining to say the least. Definitely a good look. But I will say this though, viewers and subscribers, some fans still have mixed reviews when we are talking about Masicka. A 3 track dropped so far, and I think 3 of them trend. Yeah, I think 3 of them trend. I think only 2 are trend currently, but 2 of them make it. All of them did make it to the charts. But chances and our chance, and that track your grandfather are definitely the track will stand out. People are saying no, the concept, the creativity. And as I was saying about chorus, still a track without a chorus. Proving say yo, even though him take the time and him listen to the fans, listen to the dancehall music and work on the chorus something there, him still a show we say yo, I can still give a classic Masicka and you will like it. Because I understand music now. Growth is there. It must show growth. And as I say, people are considered a fortune of this. We can say it, you know, more likely references were there, whether we missed it or, you know, enough dog catch it and I say that right there. So, whether or not, it's definitely something to prove a point. So, watch you know, them shake it to the thing. We there, And at any given time, we can drop the hits where dancehall can react to. Because when we are talking about creativity, them still not have it. We see him go live recently and see how some people sang now play on the radio. We don't know how we did specifically attack. Because we know the teacher sang them a play on the radio. You know what I mean? So, obviously that wasn't a statement about Vybz Kartel. He never revealed who he might talk about. It could be anybody. Enough people sang a play, enough people sang now play. You know? Some people say they hear them song when nobody else not hear it. I don't say go. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. And Masicka has returned. Now, will Idonia respond or Governor respond to the track? That's a nice up dancehall, yes. But will they? Well, Governor was the artist who responded when Idonia seemed not to drop no response. Now, months in the future, years in the future, we realize it's just that they didn't really depend on the energy there with music. He now put out songs in our timely fashion. So I never say him never want to respond, could respond. Him just never really care that much. You know what I mean? I just him whole style of the music. Not really push it. Just do it when it's convenient for him. So that's why a clash with Diddy, me not really see that take place. Because Diddy at that point right now in his career way. He must do music when he feel like for the music. So he not clash with the artist. Because you have to wait for a response for 6 months. You not get no response. Governor career at this point in time, we just say this. Governor make more money off of the songs where it's about upliftment, empowerment, and woman. That's the topic that are profitable for Governor right now. Governor sing hardcore dancehall song for years and never couldn't buy a house, couldn't buy a bima. Man sing Beat Bean, put out one album, him house step on the hill. Mama have house, daddy have house, everybody have car. It's a different energy. So why would an artist who see that, remember theme career, why are artists who notice that the song them we are sell the theme on iTunes, the song them we are stream from the streaming platforms, the song them people are request when him go overseas go tour, why would I stray from that? Remember, Masicka is an artist that was accepted as a hardcore lyricist, like Chronic Law, for instance. Chronic Law hardcore song them would trend. Some people hardcore song them not gonna trend. People hear it and say, yeah, it's alright, but it's not gonna be a trending song. Masicka, Chronic Law, you know what I mean? Of course, Vybz Kartel, but anything in teacher touch trend. So we did not talk about that. But these are few artists out of the dancehall crop that can trend with certain styles of, you know what I mean, hardcore aggressive lyrical content. For some other artists it won't really work unless them in a lyrical confrontation or them a call another artist's name. So, you know, with that being said, I don't feel like Govy I gotta respond. You know what I mean? Them new song and a new style, a new flow, it a work for you. I'm not telling you like the song them more catchy, it more entertaining. But more I listen the song from start to finish because the concept, so more I hear how the story actually finished. And that get you and person we are listening to your song for listening from the start to the end. Enough people start listening to people's song and skip the song midway. I want definitely know that. We not do it too. But regularly I hear some song and by reach about the chorus again, I don't really necessarily want to hear the next verse. Without an entertaining music video for me to watch, I'm not really listen to all of the song. Because in a creative, in a entertaining, it's not really rare. So, you know, with that being said, Masicka there, Cråsh forward back, you know what I mean? You must say a one side see me, no. Gaza-Nation, talk to me. I don't feel like say overdose, you know what I mean? No say Masicka say what him say. But, you know, I just a misguided attempt to, you know, get some only for people for forward out time show. And Kurita just said for kind of echo the sentiments of that people that I don't know. Because you can't trick dancehall people. So I like say you could have tell us, even though Beanie do something there, I don't know if I the same style Kurita that hopes they would have work again. You know? We must say we can consider the Kurita that foreigner to the island. So we don't know if that style enough feel like they would have work again by saying, you know what? Maybe if we call ourselves the king, people actually start call we the king to trying to work. No, I'm not so do something good. Not when there's a reigning king. No. There will be no coups, no overthrow, no, they can't do it. It won't work. You know the something. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jayden, she's a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just passing through, But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that, and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. A like icon did it too. From a like we drop a like on the vlog, share icon did it too. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. Check out the channel, check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always open 24/7. Never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You want to move settings from I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and Joyce of wanna live, love, and prosper until the reason again.